In this video, we'll guide you through changing or installing a license plate on your Tesla Model Y. Whether you're transferring plates, upgrading to custom plates, or dealing with damage, understanding the process is key. We'll cover everything from necessary tools to step-by-step instructions, ensuring a smooth and compliant installation. Since 2024, Tesla has standardized bracket installations, but pre-2024 models and custom plates still require attention. Before you begin installing your license plate on the Tesla Model Y, gather these essential tools and materials. You'll need a socket wrench set with 10mm and 13mm sockets for removing and installing bolts, a Phillips head screwdriver for various screws, a torque wrench set to 8 to 10 foot-pounds to avoid over-tightening, and a plastic pry tool to protect your Model Y's fascia. You'll also need your new license plate, the appropriate mounting bracket, such as the Tesla Factory Kit part number 11079797000A, or a compatible aftermarket option from LPB or Mod My Tesla, and any screws or adhesive provided with the bracket. Start by parking your Tesla Model Y on a level surface. While not always required, disabling the vehicle's power is a good safety measure. Locate the rear fascia's mounting points. These are usually two pre-drilled holes positioned above the bumper. If you have an existing license plate or cover, carefully remove it using the plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the paint. A gentle but firm motion should do the trick. Now we'll install the license plate bracket to the rear fascia of your Tesla Model Y. This bracket provides the mounting point for your license plate. First, position the license plate bracket over the mounting points on the rear fascia. These are the pre-existing holes or attachment points on the vehicle's body. Next, align the holes on the bracket with the holes on the vehicle. Make sure they line up perfectly before proceeding. Using the screws provided with your bracket, carefully secure the bracket to the fascia. Insert the screws through the aligned holes. Use your torque wrench set to 8 to 10 foot-pounds to tighten the screws. This ensures proper tightness without damage. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the fascia. Stop when the torque wrench clicks or reaches the specified setting. Finally, double-check that the bracket is firmly attached and properly aligned. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. Now that the bracket is securely installed, it's time to attach your license plate. This final step ensures your Model Y complies with local regulations and looks professional. You'll need your license plate and the hardware from your bracket kit. For most Tesla Model Y installations, this includes screws, washers, and caps to secure the plate. For screw-mounted brackets, start by aligning your license plate with the bracket holes. Insert the provided screws through the plate and into the bracket, then tighten them securely but not too tight to avoid damaging the plate. Add any washers and plastic caps for a professional look. Some brackets use adhesive backing instead of screws. First, clean the bracket surface to remove any dirt or residue. Carefully peel off the backing from the adhesive on your license plate, then press it firmly onto the bracket. Make sure it's centered and aligned straight for the best appearance and compliance. If you're installing a custom or vanity plate, double-check your state's regulations. Plates must meet size requirements, typically 12 inches by 6 inches, and be positioned correctly. Some states require specific EV designations, so verify before installation to avoid fines. Once attached, test the license plate by gently shaking it to ensure it's secure. Check that it's properly aligned and doesn't interfere with any sensors. Your Tesla Model Y license plate installation is now complete. Important considerations when installing your license plate to avoid common mistakes. A common mistake is over-tightening the screws, which can crack the fascia. Always use a torque wrench and adhere to the recommended torque settings. Avoid drilling any new holes in the fascia, as this can void your Tesla's warranty and potentially damage sensors. Also, ensure the license plate and bracket do not obstruct any cameras or sensors on the rear of your Model Y. Misalignment can affect autopilot functionality. Many regions are adopting special license plates for electric vehicles to promote EV adoption and qualify for incentives. Let's look at some examples. In California, electric vehicles often require ZEV, or Zero Emission Vehicle, license plates. These special designations help drivers qualify for incentives and show support for clean energy. New York also offers special EV license plates with designs featuring local landmarks. These plates help identify electric vehicles and support environmental initiatives. Looking ahead, the future of license plates is digital. Technologies like RFID embedded plates and fully electronic systems are gaining traction. These could phase out physical modifications entirely by 2030, integrating seamlessly with autonomous driving features. Once your license plate is installed, perform these final checks to ensure everything is correct. First, verify secure attachment by checking that all screws are tightened properly to avoid vibrations. Second, confirm proper alignment so the plate looks professional. Third, ensure no interference with vehicle functions like cameras or sensors. If you encounter any problems, refer to the Tesla service manual or consult a qualified mechanic. Properly installed plates increase resale value and maintain DMV compliance. For pre-2022 models, professional installation is recommended for the best fit.